Have you ever wondered what all the buzz is about with Bitcoin? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency to answer two big questions. What is Bitcoin? And how does it actually work? Stick around because by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of this revolutionary digital asset. First things first, let's define Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money like dollars or euros, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or bank. It's peer-to-peer electronic cash, designed to let people send value directly to each other over the internet, without needing a middleman. Imagine cutting out the banks entirely. That's the core idea! Now, you might be thinking, how can something digital hold value? Well, Bitcoin's value comes from its scarcity and utility. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence thanks to its built-in code. This limited supply, combined with growing demand from investors, businesses, and even countries, drives its price. As of today, one Bitcoin can be worth tens of thousands of dollars. But remember, prices fluctuate wildly, so it's not for the faint of heart. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How does Bitcoin work? At its heart is something called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a giant public ledger, a digital notebook that records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. It's not stored in one place. Instead, it's distributed across thousands of computers worldwide called nodes. This decentralization makes it incredibly secure and transparent. No one can tamper with the records without everyone noticing. Here's where it gets fascinating. When you want to send Bitcoin to someone, you create a transaction. Your digital wallet, which is like a secure app on your phone or computer, signs the transaction with a private key proving it's really you. This transaction gets broadcast to the network where miners step in. Miners are powerful computers that solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate and group transactions into blocks. It's like a competitive race. The first miner to solve the puzzle adds the block to the blockchain and earns a reward: newly minted Bitcoins plus transaction fees. This process, called mining, not only creates new Bitcoins but also secures the entire system. It uses a ton of energy, which is why you've probably heard about Bitcoin's environmental impact. But innovations like renewable energy sources are helping address that. Once the transaction is confirmed, usually in about 10 minutes, it's etched into the blockchain forever. The recipient can then spend those Bitcoins, and the cycle continues. Simple, right? But under the hood, it's powered by cryptography, ensuring privacy and preventing double spending. That's when someone tries to spend the same Bitcoin twice. Of course, Bitcoin isn't perfect. It's volatile, meaning prices can crash overnight. Transactions can sometimes be slow during peak times, and it's not as user-friendly for beginners as traditional banking apps. On the flip side, it offers financial freedom, especially in countries with unstable currencies. And it's a hedge against inflation for many investors. So, there you have it. Bitcoin is more than just digital gold. It's a groundbreaking technology reshaping money as we know it. If you're intrigued, consider starting small. Research wallets, exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, and always remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. What do you think? Is Bitcoin the future of finance or just a fad? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more crypto breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.